The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. December 4th, 2024 is a historic day for crypto bros because Bitcoin hit $100,000. So congrats to those of you who stuck around through all the FUD, all the failures of like massive exchanges, all the rug pulls. If you have been going and kept trying through the whole bear market, you are going to be reaping rewards very soon. $100,000 Bitcoin. I remember when I was buying it at $16,000 after the FTX collapse. It set me up for success through the bear market. I was able to take a little bit of profit from buying at such a low amount, and I now kind of regret selling it. I wish I would have just done anything I could have to get more fiat money and put it into crypto, but I can't be mad at myself because one of the things that I did when I bought that Bitcoin at 16 grand was once I doubled my money, I was able to buy my first Kaspa miner, the OG KS1. I spent about $16,000 on that OG KS1. If you want to learn more about that story, you can watch this video right here. I spent $20,000. And that's when I bought my OG KS1 and OG KS0. You can see that profit that I took from some of the crypto that I bought, Bitcoin and Ethereum at the time, has turned into quite a decent bag. Check out my current Kaspa bag just from the KS1 alone. And with the KS0, I've mined over 65,000 Kaspa. That is a combined amount of Kaspa, about 700,000 Kaspa. Today's price, that puts me at about $115,000 of Kaspa that I've mined. It's a pretty unique situation that I'm in because Bitcoin was $16,000 and my Kaspa miner cost $16,000 at KS1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to track all the way through the bull run, the all-time high of Bitcoin and the all-time high of Kaspa, and we will see which one wins out. It's a pretty cool starting point, 16 grand for both of those assets. Follow me, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you don't mind, because it does help out the channel more than you even know. And I'll do updates on this little experiment of mine as we go along. Do I think we can go higher? Absolutely. Look at where we are right now in what is a cycle that usually rhymes. It doesn't always repeat itself, but it does seem to rhyme. Here we are, 247% growth in this section right here. See how it says growth right here? And here's where we see a bubble. We haven't reached the bubble stage yet. And look at the percentage of growth during the last bull run, 260% of the crypto market cycle. And this is something I talk about a lot on this channel, especially lately, is the crypto market cycle and the total crypto market cap. The total crypto market cap has tripled between bull runs. 800 billion in January of 2018, $3 trillion in 2021, and the total crypto market cap today is $3,800 billion. So where do you think we might be going? If it triples, we're talking $9 trillion. I think we might be able to go higher. This is a totally different bull run than the previous bull runs. We have Bitcoin ETFs. We have ETFs being proposed for multiple cryptos. We have a president who is supportive of cryptocurrencies and has just announced that he has nominated Paul Atkins to be the next chairman of the SEC. So we no longer have to deal with Gary Gensler. We have a pro-crypto chairman of the SEC being proposed right now. He recognizes that digital assets and other innovations are crucial to making America greater than ever. If all of those things didn't make you bullish and you're looking at this chart thinking, well, what's next? What's next is the bubble phase of the cycle. We haven't even hit what some people like Raoul Paul call the banana zone, where everything just starts going crazy. Phase 3, the bubble. When the price eclipses the previous all-time high, price action will start to move exponentially to the upside, pushing the price to new all-time highs, which exceeds the previous landmark and by an appreciable difference. They go on to say, though, this phase is extremely volatile with rapid price increases followed by large corrections. Sorry to interrupt your video, but a quick word from the sponsor of the video, Crypto Miner Bros. Crypto Miner Bros is a trusted website where I buy mining equipment from. They have the best brands and the latest models. So check them out and use discount code GREATER for $70 off your order. The prices you see on the website are the prices shipped to your door. Thanks for listening. Now back to your video. If you've ridden through the last bear market, I don't think any of that volatility is going to scare you or shake you out. And if you rode it out through the last bear market, stacked as much crypto as you could and diamond handed it all the way through, then once again, congratulations, because you made it through a tough one and now you get to reap those rewards. If you found this video helpful or at least interesting, do me a favor, like I said earlier, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. It really helps more than you know. Check out some of my other crypto content. I've got tons of it. And last but not least, don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.